welcome! Kat right here. So today the project I'm doing for you is I'm replacing a doorknob. This is the door to our garage, and this doorknob, it's just gets caught, just jams. Sometimes you have to kind of kink it a little bit to get it to open. So I went to Home Depot, got this quick set doorknob. It's like 3 steps, very easy to put on. Got a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pokey. The pokey is to take off the current doorknob. Okay, so this doorknob is very old. It's called a Schlage lock. It doesn't have any screws, is why it's called a Schlage, because it's got a tiny little knob right there that you release it with. You have to push it in. It's kind of tough, but it just pulls right off. Okay, maybe there we go. Okay, so we got this off. Okay, now I'm going to take out the screws. These are just flathead screws. I think that's out as far as it'll go. There we go. So we got the flat piece off. Josh cut that off for us. It's kind of hard. Now we'll just undo these screws. These are really long. Now that we got those 2 really long screws out, that took a long time because those screws were really long and this thing is old. Now this thing just slides right out. Got that thing? This baby is going in the garbage. Now we need to get this piece off. Tell you the truth, I hope it comes off. Looks like it's kind of glued on there. Okay, so we got the 2 screws out. We're just gonna jam it so it comes out. Woo! There we go. Okay, we got this doorknob off. Now let's get the new one in. Okay, we'll slide this in there. Slides right in. Now we just gotta get those screws in. Okay, so you take this piece. Obviously this is the middle, this is where the 2 screws go. Just slides right in there. Okay, so here you can see the way this is shaped. It's got this really round edge and it just goes right inside of that. We just slide that there, goes right there, and then the screws go on this side. Had the Phillips head screwdriver, but we needed to get this curved one to get it past the door handle. So we got the screws in, now we just gotta screw these pieces in. So I did not replace this piece right here because that piece that was previously in there will do just fine. So we will leave that there. Okay, so we are all done with our project. Now we got a working doorknob on our garage. And it came with 2 keys. So now Josh and I can both have one. And yeah, guess that's about it. Remember, work hard, play hard. See you on the next project.